Hello guys, welcome back to today's tutorial. So in this video, you'll be learning the five golden rules to be a profitable trader. If you want to be a profitable, you works in crypto market, forex market, stock market. Do you understand? So in case I just meet my channel for the first time, my name is Agbonha Prosper. I'm a forex trader, stroke crypto trader. You understand? So I'm also a coach. Okay, so I have a community that I do normally train my students also. Okay, so in case you want to join us, section, everything will be in the descriptions, right? So now let's look at the five golden rules. Okay, so number one, discipline. You have to know that discipline is non negotiable. Do you understand? Follow your plans, ignore your emotions. Do you understand? So you need to ignore your emotions. Stick to your trading rules. Do you understand? You need to stick to your trading rules if you want to be a profitable trader. I'm telling you the fact because I've lost tons and tons of money before I become a profitable trader, right? So avoid impulsive decisions, over trading or over leveraging trading. You understand? Like you already make a loss. Yes, you accept the loss because in forex trading you will lose money, you will make money. Do you understand? So I'm just telling you the fact. You must lose money and you must also make money, right? So the profitable trader is different from the losing trader, just that because of the money you'll be making, that will be much bigger than the money you'll be losing. That is how to know a profitable trader, right? So no trade revenge. Like you already hit your stop loss. Okay, wait for another clean setup before you enter the market. Not that you already lost the trade hit your stop loss. You don't even analyze the market. You just either buy or sell just because you want to revenge trade. No, it does not work like that. Okay, be consistent every day, even when things are boring or slow. You need to have a setup, you understand, a trading setup that okay, once this trading setup meets these rules, that's when I'm going to buy or sell. So you don't need to like be okay because the trade is boring or because the setup is slow, just either stroke sell or buy without even analyzing the market. No, that is you need to trade with discipline. Do you understand? You need to learn how to trade with discipline. This is the number one rules that will make you a profitable trader. Do you understand? So now let's look at the number two. The number two, master risk management. You understand? You need to master risk management. This is also a key, very, very important key. Master risk management. Protect your capital like your life depends on it. You understand? You need to learn how to protect your capital. You understand? This is what I do normally tell my students. In case maybe you enter a trade, maybe your excel is like $50 or $100. You are risking $100 to make at least maybe 300 or $500. You understand? Depends on your risk ratio reward. You understand? So now you look at the candlestick that okay, this trade is already returning back. You understand? It's already returning back. And if I leave this trade, my stop loss is going to it, which is $100. Do you understand? This is another key. Please listen to this very, very important. Okay. So you look at okay, the key, if you lose this $100, you see that you already lost $100. You understand? But once you know the price action, you already look at the candlestick, you already know that the formation is going to be reversed back. So one maybe your losses is already on $10 or $30. You can shorten the trade there, just close and accept the loss. You understand? Than you losing all your $100 in case if you hit excel. You understand? So that's how to also manage risk because you already read the candlestick formation. Ah, okay, this is going to reverse. And if it hits my stop loss, I'm going to lose $100. Do you understand? So you need to learn how to master risk management, protect your capital like your life depends on it. Do you understand? So number like always learn how to use stop loss and take profit without exception. Like even if you don't put take profit, in case maybe you are always online with your phone, but always learn how to put stop loss. It's very, very important, guys. Always learn how to put stop loss. Okay. Always calculate risk to reward ratios. Aim for at least 1:2 or better. Okay, you cannot be risking $100 to make $100. No, you can risk $100 to make at least 1:2, 1:3, 1:4, depends on the trade setup you got. Do you understand? So you need to learn all those things. Okay, that's how you make money in the forex market. Always learn risk management is a key. Okay, please, if you are getting values from this video, so I want you to click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so that once I drop amazing video like this, YouTube will notify you instantly. Okay, so now let's look more further. Number three, trade with proven strategy. You understand? You need to trade with proven strategy, not that you just jump into the market like you either buy or sell. No, you can't make money that way. You will be losing. You understand? You need to trade with proven strategy. Know your hedge, trade your hedge. Like, okay, if you are a double bottom trader, W patterns, trend line, support and resistance, all those things, you need to know your hedge. Not that you just jump into your MT5 or MT4, you see red candle, you start selling. You see green candle, you start buying. No, you need to know your hedge. Okay, focus on one setup or system that you have tested and understand. Okay, you need to like focus on a system that you have understand, not jumping from one strategy to another. Refine that what works. You need to refine what works. Okay, a lot of people are be profitable with only just support and resistance because they refined it. Do you understand? They refine what works. Not you jumping from every week will be changing up to like three strategy, four strategy. No, you'll be losing money that way. Okay, you need to learn how to trade with proofing strategy. Okay, backtest it, demonstrate it, then go to live account with confidence. Okay, then you go to live account with confidence. That's how to know a profitable trader. That is like not just you jumping from strategy to strategy. No, calm down, refine what works, backtest it, demonstrate it, then go to live with confidence. Okay, be patient and pick quality setups. Do you understand? Not just because you are boring, then you just want to start taking any trade without even analyzing the market. Just no. Wait for a best trade, not just any trade. Okay? Wait for a best trade, not just any trade. The market gives good opportunities daily, but not every candle is worth trading. Do you understand? But you need to know that the market is always there to give you good opportunity to start trading. Okay, not just all candle, not just okay, is on a resistance already, let me start selling. What of you sell on the resistance and you start buying? That is why you need to wait for a confirmation before entering the market. Okay, but not every candle is worth trading. You need to know this. The market gives good opportunity daily to make money, yes, but not every candle is worth trading. Okay, don't force trade, learn to wait. Not just because the candlestick is on a resistance or in or support, you start buying or selling without you or other block or fair value gap or all those things. You start no, you need to calm down. Wait for a confirmation, okay? So that you can make good money. Then not that you just enter the market after maybe a pullback or something, the trade hits you at, then start moving to your favor. No, learn to wait. Don't force trade. Okay? Quality or quantity, you understand? Trade goals, your goals is profit, not activity. You understand? You cannot just be trading. No, but you need to focus on like quality over quantity. Do you understand? So quality over quantity. Okay, you can trade only one setup a day and make money than you trading like 20 setup in a day because you know what you are doing. Okay, so that's just it. Now let's look at the number five. This number five will be mind blowing. Okay, track everything and keep improving. Okay, you need to learn how to track everything and keep improving. Maintain a good trading journal. Entries, exit, emotions, mistake. Like if you enter a trade, always know what makes you to enter the trade. You understand? Then your exit, okay, the price will get to this place, then our exit or do this. You need to learn all those things. Do you understand? Review your performance weekly to find patterns and areas to improve on. Like you need to know that okay, if I take trade early, you do normally hit my stop loss, then before going to my direction, that means I have to wait. Okay, you need to work on that aspect to learn how to wait. Okay, the best traders are always learning. Always know this. Abduct the fear behind. Like, you need to know that in forex trading, that is why I tell you when we just started this video. I told you that in forex trading, don't let anybody lie to you that you will not lose money. No, you will lose money, sure. But the profitable trader is always to make more higher money than the money they lost. That's how to know a profitable trader. Do you understand? Even if you are in, like, you have a 20 years experience in the forex market, you will also lose money. One day you also lose money. Do you understand? Just take it as normal business. Forex trading is like normal business. Like, you open a shop, you go to the market, you do this. If you hit stop loss, always know that okay, this stop loss I hit, maybe okay, just take it as okay, it's for maintenance. You understand? Just like maybe you open a shop now, okay, this is NEPA B or something like that. You understand? You need to treat forex trading as a business. That's how you make money. I'm telling you, you need to treat forex trading as a business, as a career. There is money in the market, guys. Do you understand? Always accept the fact that you also lose in the market. Okay, you also lose in the market. So that's just it. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Okay, so because I want us to hit at least 3,000 subscribers before this year's run out. Okay, so subscribe to this channel so that I can be dropping more valuable content like this. Okay, so final thought, successful trading is boring. You have to know that successful trading is boring. Yeah, but that is where the money, I would not like to read. Successful trading is boring, but that's where the money is. Do you understand? That's where the money is. That's where the money is. Just imagine that okay, you every day do normally trade like 3 to 4 setup, but just daybreak you don't even have maybe like one, two, setup to trade. That's me. It's giving you boring day, but you have to know that once you see a good setup, you eat it. Do you understand? That's how to make money in the forex market. Not that you see in a good setup, you are risking 0.01 when your capital is at least like 1,000, $2,000. No. When you see a good setup, eat it. A plus setup, B setup, C setup. You understand? You have to know that when you see a setup or B setup, the lot you will be using on a setup it will be different from a big setup. You have to know this. Okay? Because the A setup is like the trader has met all your categories like your confirmation and everything you can enter with a big lot. Then but once you see that okay, you just only met like 2 confirmation, let me just enter or 3 confirmation, you will enter with a lower lot. You understand? Just the same thing we see set up and just that. Okay, that's how to be a profitable trader. Okay, so once you learn these 5 golden rules, I promise you, you're gonna be a profitable trader in the next 3 months. Okay, master yourself. You understand? Quality over quantity. Okay, that's just it. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Okay, so if you want to join my community, all the links will be in the description. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye for now.